Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on Elite Academy. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure all its citizens. Wait. Sovereign, democratic republic. Yes, कुछ ऐसी ही controversy है and because of that only recent Supreme Court's verdict was there and Supreme Court has settled this dispute or confusion related to preamble. So recently there was a Supreme Court ruling. What was it? We will discuss everything. So recently, just few days back, last week, 3-4 days back itself, Supreme Court has delivered a significant verdict upholding the inclusion of socialist and secular in the preamble, which was added in the preamble after the 42nd amendment in 1976. So basically there was a petition which challenged that these two words, socialist and secular, they don't represent the views or the opinion of our फाउंडिंग मेंबर्स ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. तो उनका ये ओपिनियन था कि भाई ये जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली थी या जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जिन्होंने बनाया उनका ये ओरिजिनल व्यू नहीं था, ये इंटेंशन नहीं था. देन सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज सेटल्ड दिस कंट्रोवर्सी सेइंग दैट नहीं, ये उनके ओरिजिनल इंटेंशन या उसकी बात नहीं है, इट इज नॉट डूइंग एनी हार्म. और सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने क्या बोला है, कैसे बोला है, वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट इट. सो यू मस्ट हैव कम अक्रॉस दीज टू आर्टिकल्स. There were many news articles where how socialist and secular words were inserted in preamble and why Supreme Court ruled they will stay. Timely reiteratement on the preamble and the Supreme Court's verdict. We celebrate the Constitution Day in India, right? And ये 25th नवंबर को सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये वर्डिक्ट दिया है. जो इशू था, जो कंट्रोवर्सी थी, उसको रिजॉल्व किया. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द टाइमलाइन, बट यू शुड नो दैट ये कब आया, कैसा है, हम ये पॉलिटी में पढ़ते रहते हैं. 2020 में कुछ लॉयर्स ने इसको अपोज किया था दैट इट डजंट रिफ्लेक्ट द इंटेंशन ऑफ द आवर असेंबली मेंबर्स, और उस टाइम पे जो फ्रेम हो रहा था तो वो ओरिजिनल इंटेंशन नहीं था. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इसको हमेशा के लिए सेटल कर दिया कि ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. क्या बोला है, वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट इट. वी शुड कीप इन माइंड दीज टाइमलाइंस 1946, 1949, 50, 1976. आई एम वेरी श्योर दैट इफ यू हैव read polity even once, or if you are preparing seriously, or even in your school days, I am very sure that from your school days also you can easily recall the significance of these years, and especially in context of preamble उनका significance क्या है ये हमें बिल्कुल पता होगा. एक बार इन सबको देख लेते हैं. Starting with 1946. The phrasing of the preamble can be traced back to the first week of the Constituent Assembly's debates, which was around 13th, 14th December 1946. And on this date, Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, he introduced the objective resolution. And almost 8-point pledge was adopted which provided the guiding principle for the drafting of the constitution. So basically क्या values होंगे, वो क्या resolution, उसमें क्या theme होगा, कैसा होगा, that was reflected. So 1946 December objective resolution was passed and basically जो हमारा preamble है जो वो उन values को reflect करता है. Talking about 1949 and 50, 1949 we know that 26th June 1949 our constitution was adopted, and in 1950 26th January it finally came into force, came into effect, right? So ये दो dates हमें important पता होनी चाहिए. Talking about 1976, 42nd amendment stated that for the words sovereign, democratic, republic, the words sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic shall be substituted. And this change was meant to spell out the high ideals of socialism, secularism and integrity of the nation. Okay? तो इसकी भी इंपॉर्टेंस हमें पता है. उसके बाद 1920 में 44 years after this was amendment was done, लोगों ने अपोज किया. कुछ लॉयर्स, फॉर्मर लॉ मिनिस्टर सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी, अश्विनी कुमार उपाध्याय and many others lawyers, they came together and they opposed this amendment कि ये जो वर्ड दो ऐड हुए हैं ये ओरिजिनल इंटेंशन को रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं करते हैं. Then that time also Supreme Court didn't entertain this and argument को बहुत valid नहीं पाया था Supreme Court ने. And now 2024 में Supreme Court has given a ruling in 2024 where they have told clearly कि इस controversy से related कोई doubt नहीं होना चाहिए. So what Supreme Court has told, and that too the bench led by Chief Justice संजीव खन्ना, उन्होंने क्या बोला है, we will have a look. They have stated that the word secular denotes a republic that upholds equal respect for all religion, The word socialist represents a republic dedicated to eliminating all forms of exploitation, whether social, political, or economic. Thus, Supreme Court has reiterated that 42nd Amendment is integral part of the Constitution now. Socialism and secularism are essential to Constitution's basic structure. They reflect India's commitment to welfare state and equal treatment of religion and are aligned with nation's constitutional ethos. Also, does not infringe upon individual rights or freedoms. तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये सारी बातें बोली एंड द कंट्रोवर्सी हैज बीन सेटल्ड फॉर ऑल. तो 42nd अमेंडमेंट इमरजेंसी के टाइम पे हुआ, 1976 में हुआ, एंड वी हैड 44th अमेंडमेंट एक्ट एज वेल. एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने उस टाइम पे बोला था अंडर आर्टिकल 368 जो पार्लियामेंट की पावर है, दे कैन इवन अमेंड the preamble as well. So we cannot say that original intention or amendment cannot be done to preamble. Those things has been already settled. Now if we are talking about these two words, even at that time also Supreme Court interfered and Supreme Court ने बोला कि these two words are accepted. Even then also it was accepted, and now also Supreme Court has reiterated that it is not going to harm anybody and it doesn't affect the policy making of the government, or it doesn't restrict them. Rather, it enables them. It is they are enabling in nature. They empower us, right? तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये सारी चीजें बोली. So now, as a UPSC aspirant, what should you do? Your objective should be, you should know thoroughly कि ये क्या है, कब आया, कैसा है, objective resolution क्या है, everything you should know. And today itself, today in our WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel, we have posted many questions, practice question, almost 9 practice questions we have posted. So go and practice them. So you'll find previous year questions from 2020, 2017. You will find there were 2 questions in 2017. We have posted both the questions. These are previous year questions we have posted in our Telegram channel and WhatsApp channel. You will find questions from 2013, 2003, 2002, 2001, 2000 and 1999. So almost these 9 questions are there for your practice. Today itself we have posted, and जो ये हमारी वीडियो है उस वीडियो से आपने काफी कुछ सीखा. So after this you will be thorough with the concept, right? This is how you should prepare any topic. Current affairs, integrate with previous year question, integrate with the static portion, and then that particular topic will be covered in a 360-degree manner. And this is what we do in our current affairs classes or our PYQ based test series, or our PYQ based discussion on YouTube as well, right? So make use of these guys and gear up for the coming prelims exam, right? See you all in the next video.